guys, welcome. This is RockinRobin. You're on RockinRobin's Garage Sale Finds, the YouTube channel that helps resellers make more money. Well, today I want to talk to you about the test I did. Remember I told you I was going to do a test. I was going to do one account I tried to put up listings every day, and another account which I wasn't to put up anything for a month. And I wanted to see what happened between the two. I wanted to be able to compare them. Well, the month is over, so I'm going to tell you what happened. Now, if this is your first time here, I want you to know we're here to help you. We're trying to do things that could help you make more sales. And we've been selling on eBay for over 20 years. We sell on Mercari. We sell on Poshmark. We sell on Facebook Marketplace, and we sell at the flea market. Today, we're discussing eBay, and we're saying I didn't put anything up for 30 days on one of my accounts, and the other account I tried to put listing up every day. Let's see what happens. You stay with us. I'll be right back. So, the results are in. Now, let me tell you. It's been slow on eBay, so it's a hard month to judge. But, of course, the account that I put up listings every day had more sales. It didn't have a ton, but it definitely had a lot more than the account that didn't list. Now, here's what I found interesting. All the sales that I had 4 sales in total on the account that I didn't list things. But the first 3 were within the first 4 days of me stopping to list. So I'd only stopped listing for 4 days, and in that 4 days I did get 3 sales, and then I had nothing. Now again, it's a tough bunch to judge. Now on the other one, I had periodic sales. I might have had 1 sale a day, some days 2, maybe a day here and there with nothing. I didn't have a lot of sales, I can tell you. It was a slow time. But I did get sales, and I did see it be very consistent. Now, the funny thing is, the day that I finally listed on the account that I hadn't listed for a month, I listed something that day and sold something immediately that night. So that I found quite interesting. So if you're not going to list, when you stop listing, it seems like within the first week, things start to slow down. And as soon as you list again, it gets better. So that's interesting. People are always saying that you have to list every day to keep the algorithm moving. And I wasn't sure if that was the case. I'm still not 100% sure about it. But I know when I listed and when I stopped listing, it very much slowed down. So I was surprised to see that when I first got sales in the first 4 days, I got 3 sales and I hadn't listed in 4 days. I thought, maybe there isn't anything to this. But then nothing until the day I listed again, which was about 30 days later, maybe 28, I listed again and got a sale immediately. So there is something in what they say when they say you need to list every day. I think that helps. I would rather list 1 a day than 10 on a day and not list for 10 days. So if you have the opportunity and you can list just 1 a day, make sure you're always listing. If you can't, I wouldn't go more than 4 days without listing an item, because what I found was after the 4th day, it slowed down. So that was very interesting to me. So if you can't list every day, make sure you list at least every 4 days. Every 3 days is even better. But I thought that was really cool. And from now on, I may do another test. Just list something every 4 days and see how that affects my sales. That would be an interesting thing to do. And maybe I will do that eventually. So if you enjoy our channel, if you enjoy learning new things about eBay, about Mercari, about Poshmark, you want to see our struggles and our when we excel and make something that I get really excited about, then don't forget to subscribe. Subscribing to our channel is the best thing to do in order to see us consistently. Then what you could do is if you give us a thumbs up, we'd appreciate that. That means you like us. That helps. And lastly, when you hit the bell, if you want to be notified when we have other videos and you hit the bell, that's going to tell you that we have a new video out. It'll probably tell you what the topic is, so you have a chance to decide if you want to see it, if it's something that you've been dying to see. Well, I hope that this test that we did helped you learn a little bit more. It definitely helped me, because now I know it's a 3 and 4 day range, and after 4 days it goes down. It doesn't mean you won't get any sales. It might just mean that it's slower. So that was a good test, and I loved the results. At first I was a little worried, but hey, I did see that listing every day definitely helps, and listing every 3 or 4 days is also good. Don't do it beyond that, or don't expect your listings, your sales to be high. So now what I want you to do, I want you to go out there. I want you to list. I want to make sure you list at least every 4 days, every 3, even better, like I said. And then you go out there, you find something good, you list it, and you go make yourself some money. See you soon.